fucked up this week. Am I supposed to wait till they stop having a party to record? Yeah. Okay, this is on 410 and it's straightening, not melting. I wonder if I could like just cut this. If I cut this, what do you think would happen? Hey everyone, it's me Patrice. I am back with another video and I reconstructed this wig. This wig was really long, really nappy, curly. It's not a lace front wig. It does have a parting though, so there was no lace. I gave myself some adult hairs basically because these are not baby hairs. I'm not even gonna say that they're baby hairs because they're absolutely not. I basically did the best that I could. This was my very first time. I plucked this, but not on camera. I plucked it when I first got it. And I might have plucked too much, or it might have came like this. I don't know, but either way, it is what it is. I haven't worn it for more than like what I had it on my head for this video, so we'll see how it goes throughout the day. I think cutting it helped eliminate the knots that were gonna like happen, and I also straightened it, so I think straightening it also helped that part. Yeah, so I did my best with this front. I'm probably still gonna go out like this. I don't really care. This is my work. It was my first time. I'm kind of proud of myself. So if you want to see how I did this, then just continue watching. Okay, so I bought this wig from wigtypes.com, I think. I thought it was a lace front and it absolutely isn't. It's a little weird in the front, but I am going to try to customize it. It's a red wig. It comes like this. It's kind of a curly. Doesn't come with a comb, it just comes with these straps, and this is what the parting looks like. It's literally from here to here. It's not the greatest wig. I already put some foundation on the part and kind of plucked it a little bit, but I might do some more plucking. You know, I don't really know what the I'm talking about, but I've been watching this girl, Miss Christy J. She literally slays wigs. So I'm just gonna try to, you know, do what I do from what I've learned. So I'm just gonna throw this wig on. I look absolutely ridiculous. So what I'm gonna start out doing is straightening her. I'm not gonna straighten this very well. I'm just gonna rush because I'm gonna do some other stuff to it. This is how straight it gets, and then I'm just going to keep on going. So this is how it's starting to look. I'm going to continue doing that throughout my whole head, and I'll be back. I did a quick little straighten. The cutting is really off, like there's really shorter pieces up here and then way longer down here, and then it's like, it's very blunt. So I don't know about that part. Overall, I like that you can put heat on it. I guess, you know, synthetic wigs these days, you can put heat on it. You know, I don't know. I'm not a wig expert. I don't do wigs. This is literally me just figuring out what to do. Okay, so now that it's pretty straight, I'm gonna thin her out. So what I'm gonna do is start with the back and take my thinning scissors. So 1, 2, 3, and then you just brush it, and then it comes out. See? Yeah, I'm gonna continue throughout my whole head. And kind of move these back so you can see what I'm doing. Hair is literally flying everywhere. Don't mind this, isn't a cap underneath. This part I'm a little bit nervous about because one thing I don't do is cut hair. One thing I am not is a stylist, a professional hairstylist. So getting this to be even might be a struggle, but I've been watching Queer Eye And in Queer Eye, the hairdresser seems to know what he's doing. And it looks like he put the hair in a ponytail, pulls the ponytail down to where he wants to cut. I think I'm gonna cut right here. So I'm gonna take my scissors and then just cut it. Gosh, this is literally an adventure. I am so scared. Whew. Okay. If this looks jacked up, don't make fun of me. Oh, it doesn't look bad. It's definitely like giving me a little bob type thing. I looked at it towards the back. I don't like it. So I'm gonna try to take the pieces in the front, straighten it out. So I'm gonna take my little shredders so it's not so blunt. So this is the new length. I'm gonna straighten her out a little better than I did before. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, there's this weird piece on the front part where they put hair under the part, so it's kind of thick. I'm just gonna like take the hair under, take little pieces to do my to do some baby hairs. I'm gonna take my shredders and I'm gonna shred them. So when you're doing it, you might want to do it with the longer side. I just found out that it's much easier. It's coming right off now. This little thick thing is really annoying me. I'm scared. I don't know if it's going to look nice. At the end of the day, this wig was like $14, $15, so I think I'll be cool with the result. Not going to look like a human hair wig, so that's definitely not my expectation. This might have been too much baby hair. Oh God. I guess we'll see. So now what I'm gonna do is take my Gorilla Snot, and this is the Gorilla Snot gel. The hold meter is on 10 and it's the Sport. These are definitely adult hairs, but I'm gonna try to do whatever I can with them, honestly. I'm frustrated. I'm just gonna throw these back and hopefully, I think my wig's gonna cover that anyway. This is the best it's gonna get, and I'm just gonna move forward and try to finish this thing. This was definitely a learning experience, and I honestly did have fun doing this. Honestly, everything but this part is like in the middle is killing me. Like this part is just killing me. This may be actually my fault. I'm not gonna completely blame this on the wig because I plucked it and I don't know what the hell I was doing when I was plugging it. I mean, I just did what I thought needed to be done, and it might have been the wrong thing. I probably plucked it too much towards the front, so I'm not gonna completely blame this wig. But other than that, I like this wig. I'd probably wear it with a hat because of this part. A little quick update, I have my hair twisted under this still, but the twists are like cornrow down and it's kind of thick, so the construction of this wig, I mean, this might be a little high up, could be flatter, but this is what it is for me. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by and sticking around and watching me do this for the first time. I'm excited about how it turned out. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely get some more wigs and do some more videos and and get this together. It's gonna be fun. I hope you guys enjoy this, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video.